Hey guys, what is up? My name is Hanania, and I want to help you guys out on TikTok. So I'm going to give you a quick video about advice on how to make the perfect TikTok video. So the first step in what I've done here is lighting. I have a light right here above me so that I am fully illuminated, but you don't need anything big. You can go to like Target, you can get like these $10 lights that are super bright. And as you can see, it makes a big difference. So step one, have light. I'm just going to leave this right here so that you guys can't see the light. The next thing I highly recommend is to get a camera. I'm not talking about a DSLR camera like this. You don't need something this big. Something as simple as your iPhone can do plenty. You don't need big. But make sure when you're doing it, you're holding it vertically and you're center frame. Don't be too close and don't be too far away. Just be like right here so they can see you. The next thing I highly recommend is energy. Don't be a TikToker like, put a finger down, positive TikToker edition part 1. Be like, put a finger down, positive TikToker edition part 1. Because view duration and attention span is very short amongst TikTok users. So you want to grab their attention, be high energy like me, so they're wondering what you're going to say. In addition to that, hand motions are important. You don't want unwarranted hand motions that have no meaning because it confuses the viewer. You want hand motions that are quick, clear, and concise, like a list, first, second, and third, where the viewer understands what you're doing with those hand signals. Then my next bit of advice for you is to speak clearly. Don't talk like this because nobody understands what you're saying here, and you might lose viewers because they don't understand what you're saying. But you don't want to talk so slow where people are bored. So just find the right pace, right about here, where you're high energy, enunciating the words you want to enunciate, you're going to be in a good place. Then let's get to sounds. Sounds are super important on TikTok. So find a sound that goes along with your thing. For example, if I'm doing something about a Dr. Seuss quote, I'm not going to use like a really poppy, upbeat song. I'm going to use a slower song, maybe like a meditation song or something like that. And if I'm doing like a dance video, I'm going to use a poppy song. So use the sound library to find a song for you. In addition, you can use popular sounds. There are sounds that are really popular for dances and trends, but I'm doing a whole video on that later. But you don't have to do that. You can make your own trend. Then another thing I highly recommend is text. Text is important because it allows the viewer to know what you're saying. Just like you saw there for that quick example, you saw exactly what I was trying to say, and it was clear and concise. Which is important for attention, right? So if I'm giving a quote, maybe I want something to be an emphasize. If I'm talking about you about how beautiful life is, I'm going to have life is beautiful because you know what? You can do whatever you want in life and you can meet a lot of people. So I might say, do whatever and meet a lot of people. If you guys do all that, and then you guys can use hashtags. You don't have to. There are videos that don't use hashtags. But I hope that alone has given you some help and advice on what you guys can do on your next TikTok video. Let me know if it works by commenting down below. You can follow me on TikTok at Hanania. You can listen to my music, or I have merch as well. So if you guys want me to do a specific video, comment down below and I will do it. Until next time, stay safe.